Okay, we are officially set up. I'm here in Emily's studio, just trying to rig this camera. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna turn my hat backwards so you can really see. Oh, I'm so gross and disgusting right now. So, this is my tutorial for eyelashes. These are the eyelashes that I use. They're medium knotted flares. Some may like knots, some may not like knots. I love a good knot on my lash, and I like them in black. So medium knotted black flares. I use black duo glue. I like black because I have dark hair and I feel like it makes me look like I have a lash line. Then I love using these tweezers. I've just always used these tweezers. They've just worked the best for me. They're flat on the edge. They have a little bit of like resistance, so I feel like I can really grab with them. They're not good for tweezing hair, so don't try and tweeze hair with them, but I like them because they're flat. So when I buy my lashes, I get them at a store called Mamie's. It's by my house. If you don't have Mamie's, you can get them on Amazon. I buy them in bulk. They come with a pack of 4. Retail price is like $21 or $22. This pack will last me months. I know that's crazy, but typically I use about a row, maybe a little bit more than a row for both eyes, and I only do them like once a week, and if one comes out, I typically just refill it, so I don't redo all my lashes at one time. I just refill them as they come out. And yeah, so let's get started. Open up the package. I use a dot of duo glue. You can use it on the back, since it's full right now, you can use it on the back of this to just have like a dot off of your hand. You could use it on the actual plastic thing itself, like on the side, or you could use it on your hand. Sometimes I do it on my hand and it's just convenient, so you have a little dot. I've never actually done my lashes in the reflection of my iPhone, so we'll see how this goes. When I put glue on my lash, I only put a dot at the very tip, and sometimes even that could be too much. So you just want a tiny little dot, because the more glue you use, I know it's kind of weird, but it kind of doesn't last as long, so I just like to use a dot. I'm gonna need another mirror. So I'm basically going to look in the mirror above the lens. Oh, that's still kind of tricky. But there's one lash. Okay, so the lashes are on. I did them fairly thick, but they look really natural right now because I don't have mascara on, nor do I have any makeup on. So what I like to do after, some makeup artists and some people who wear lashes would say curl your lashes before and put mascara before. I do that for like, if I'm doing my mom's lashes, I'll sometimes have her do that before because her lashes are slightly finer, and I like to give it a lot of like va-va-voom. But for me, I like mine to last a long time, so I like to put them on a bare lash because I feel like the glue adheses more, if that makes sense. So now I'm just gonna put mascara over them. And another thing I do is I just do the mediums all the way across. I don't like putting shorts in the inside. Well, it's not that I don't like to, I just don't buy the shorts, so I just kind of like go up to this point and I let this look bare and I don't even care. I do like a little bit on the top of the lash, like going downward, and that makes it like super full looking. Getting mascara on the top, and that's it. Ta-da! And now Emily's client is here, and she just so happens to be my cousin. Okay, here we go.